their businesses to obtain funds from the banks at reasonable rates and at the right time. Cost of credit for these small enterprises is much higher than that of the Southeast Asian countries. The problem is further compounded by complex application procedures for approval. However, in the expanding universe of funding of MSMEs, banks and financial institutions, aside different avenues like venture capital, private equity, factoring reserve services, etc. have demand. There is no denying the fact that not many MSMEs are aware of these avenues, and the very few who try to access finance from these sources encounter difficulties on account of non-availability of suitable range of financial products and services, regulatory rigidities, lack of information, etc. No wonder the difficulties are more acute for first generation entrepreneurs. So the five main issues that come to the fore are: how big is the MSME's financing gap? What are the different new emerging avenues of raising funds for the MSMEs? What are the obstacles for the MSMEs to access finance? How to tap these sources of funding? And what is the cost of fund and the time required for getting it?
Very critical. I went through some of the literatures. I found the MSMEs are the preferred lot and the preferred model of doing business even in USA, Brazil, Korea, China, many countries, even in Germany. Of course, Germany is once upon a time used to be a very agricultural country and a country of cooperatives. But yes, the mid segment and specifically micro, small, medium enterprises, they have carved out a very significant role in those countries in contributing to the growth of those countries. Similarly, the MSMEs have been very critical in our life. They have been very critical to our economy. The numbers are, I think, here. The very fact that they contribute to 38% of the GDP and 40% of the manufacturing output, that speaks for itself. That how MSMEs contributing to the growth of the economy, and how if they like and if they are facilitated, how they can revolutionize the economic scenario in our country. Even in they contribute to large-scale employment generations. I think the number says that they have already generated an employment level of 10.6 crores. They are also contributing very substantially to the export sectors of the country. Hence, it is very important that we must nurture and we must grow this segment efficiently by addressing all the concerns that this segment has.